Let's talk about password security. It's a big deal these days. We all need to be safe online. That's where Hydra comes in. Hydra is a powerful tool. It's used for password cracking. But it's not just for bad guys. Ethical hackers use it too. Ethical hackers are the good guys. They use tools like Hydra for good. They test systems for weaknesses. This helps make everyone safer. Hydra is a versatile tool. It can test many different services. This includes things like FTP, SSH, and more. It's like a master key for security testing. Ethical hacking is crucial in today's digital world. It's about finding vulnerabilities before the bad guys do. Think of it like a security guard for your computer systems. Using tools like Hydra ethically is paramount. It's not about breaking into systems illegally. It's about finding and fixing weaknesses. Imagine a bank vault with a faulty lock. An ethical hacker would find that flaw and report it. This prevents theft and protects everyone's money. That's the power of ethical hacking. It's about using knowledge for good. And it all starts with understanding tools like Hydra. Before we can unleash Hydra, we need the right environment. This means having a robust and versatile operating system that can handle the demands of cybersecurity tasks. Kali Linux is our operating system of choice. It's a Debian-based distribution specifically designed for digital forensics and penetration testing. It's designed for security professionals and enthusiasts. With a wide array of pre-installed tools, it provides everything you need to test the security of your systems. Downloading Kali Linux is easy. The first step is to visit the official Kali Linux website. Head over to the official Kali Linux website and grab the latest version. The website offers different versions tailored to various needs. Choose the one that's right for your computer. Whether you need a 32-bit or 64-bit version, or even a version for ARM devices, it's all there. Next, we'll create a bootable USB drive or burn the ISO to a DVD. This step is crucial, as it allows us to install Kali Linux on our machine. Insert the bootable USB drive or DVD into your computer and restart it. The installation process is straightforward, guiding you through each step. You'll be prompted to select your language, time zone, and keyboard layout. Once Kali Linux is up and running, we're ready to install Hydra. Hydra is a powerful tool for brute force attacks, and having it on Kali Linux makes it even more effective. It's like setting up shop in a new city. You need a solid foundation before you can start exploring and making an impact. We've got our base of operations ready. Now, with Kali Linux installed, we can dive into the world of cybersecurity with confidence and the right tools at our disposal. With Kali Linux installed, it's time to equip ourselves with Hydra. The beauty of Kali Linux is that Hydra often comes pre-installed. To check if Hydra is already on your system, open a terminal window. Type Hydra H and press Enter. If you see a help menu, you're good to go. If Hydra isn't installed, don't worry, it's a quick fix. In the terminal, type sudo apt-get, install Hydra, and press Enter. This command tells Kali Linux to download and install Hydra. Once the installation is complete, we're ready to roll. Hydra is now part of our toolkit, ready to assist us in our ethical hacking endeavors. Section 5. Cracking the code. Understanding Hydra's syntax. Hydra's power lies in its simplicity. Despite being a powerful tool, its syntax is designed to be user-friendly and accessible even to those who are new to cybersecurity. Its syntax, the way we communicate with it, is straightforward. Let's break it down step by step to understand how each component works together to perform a task. The basic structure of a Hydra command is Hydra, options, target, service, password list. This structure is consistent, making it easier to remember and use effectively. Each part of this command tells Hydra what to do. Options are like settings. They fine-tune Hydra's behavior. For example, you can specify the number of parallel tasks or set a timeout for each attempt. Target is the system we're testing. This could be a website, a server, or any other network device that you want to test for vulnerabilities. Service specifies the type of service, like FTP or SSH. This tells Hydra what kind of protocol to use when attempting to access the target system. Password list contains the passwords Hydra will try. This list can be customized to include common passwords, or it can be a comprehensive list generated by a password cracking tool. Understanding this syntax is key. It allows you to effectively communicate with Hydra and leverage its full potential. It's like learning the language Hydra speaks. Once you become fluent in this language, you can perform complex tasks with ease and precision. Once we know how to talk to it, we can make it work for us. Mastering Hydra's syntax is the first step towards becoming proficient in using this powerful tool for cybersecurity tasks. Section 6. A practical example. Cracking an FTP password. In this section, we will delve into the practical aspects of cybersecurity by demonstrating how to crack an FTP password. This is a crucial skill for understanding the vulnerabilities in network security. Let's put our knowledge into practice. We'll walk through each step meticulously to ensure you grasp the entire process. We'll use Hydra, a powerful tool for brute force attacks, to crack the password for an FTP server. Hydra is widely used in penetration testing to identify weak passwords. Remember, this is for educational purposes only. Unauthorized access to systems is illegal and unethical. Always ensure you have permission before testing any system. Our target FTP server is ftp.example.com. This is a hypothetical server used for demonstration purposes. In real-world scenarios, you would need to identify the specific server you are testing. We'll use a simple password list for this example, but real-world scenarios require much larger lists. Password lists can be generated or downloaded, and they often contain millions of potential passwords. In the terminal, we type the following command: Hydra L username ppassword.txt ftp-//ftp.example.com. Let's break this down. The command is structured to specify the username, the password list, and the target FTP server. L username specifies the username. This is the account we are attempting to access. In a real-world scenario, you would need to know or guess the username. ppassword.txt points to our password list. This file contains all the potential passwords Hydra will try. ftp-//ftp.example.com is our target, the server we are attempting to access. Hydra will now start working its magic. It will systematically try each password in the list against the specified username until it finds the correct one or exhausts the list. It will try each password in the list until it finds the right one. This process can take time, depending on the size of the password list and the complexity of the passwords. This process highlights the importance of strong passwords. Weak passwords can be easily cracked using tools like Hydra, emphasizing the need for complex, unique passwords to secure your accounts. Section 7. The importance of word lists in password cracking. Password lists, or word lists, are essential for Hydra. They contain the passwords Hydra uses to test against the target system. A good word list is like a master keyring. It has a wide variety of keys, increasing the chances of finding the right one. Creating your own word lists or finding reputable ones online is crucial. Specialized tools and techniques can help generate effective word lists. Remember, the larger and more diverse the word list, the higher the chances of success. But it's also important to consider ethical and legal boundaries when obtaining word lists. Section 8. Staying safe and legal precautions and considerations. While Hydra is a powerful tool for good, it's crucial to use it responsibly. Unauthorized access to computer systems is illegal. Always obtain explicit permission before testing systems that aren't yours. Respecting privacy and adhering to legal boundaries are paramount. Remember, ethical hacking is about making the digital world safer, not causing harm. Use your knowledge wisely and responsibly. It's also essential to stay updated on the latest security practices and legal frameworks. The world of cybersecurity is constantly evolving, and so are the rules. Section 9. Conclusion: Mastering Hydra for good. Hydra is a powerful hackers. It helps uncover vulnerabilities and strengthen security. By understanding Hydra's capabilities and using it responsibly, we contribute to a safer digital world. Remember, knowledge is power. More secure online experience for everyone. Stay curious, stay ethical, and keep learning. The world of cybersecurity needs more individuals dedicated to using their skills for good.